Hi, this is a video on how to install Linea Weatherboard Accessories onto a timber cavity batten. Before you get started, it's important that we have all the correct tools. Linea Weatherboard to the correct quantity, nail gun and correct specification nails, primer, drill and drill bit, nail punch, hammer, internal corners, external corners, gecko gauge and your PPE. Always refer to the Linea Weatherboard technical specification for safe working practices. The internal W corner is used to create a clean internal finish. Fix each side of the internal corner to the batten through the stud at 400mm centers using 40mm Hardie flex nails. Cut edges must be sealed. Fix weatherboard leaving a 2mm gap to the moulding. Pre-drill a hole and fix into the batten using jolt head nails. The external aluminium box corner creates a supple finish. Fix each side of the box corner to the batten through the stud at 400mm centers using 40mm Hardie flex nails. Fix weatherboard leaving a 2mm gap to the moulding. Pre-drill a hole and fix into the second batten using jolt head nails. The external corner soaker creates an attractive weatherboard corner. Cut the weatherboard with a splay to suit. Fix next weatherboard with splay. Fix the soaker under the lap of two weatherboards and fix the top into the stud using 50mm nails. Continue installing the next row of weatherboards and fix the corner soaker in a similar pattern. Thanks for watching this video on how to install Linea Weatherboard Accessories onto a timber cavity batten. For more information, always refer to the Linea Weatherboard technical specification or ask James Hardie.